How to transfer theme settings across versions of Debutify 6.0. How to transfer your theme settings. If you're looking to transfer your theme settings to a new version of your theme, you're in luck. The theme transfer tool is back and ready to help you out. However, there are a few things you should know before using it. What can be transferred? The theme transfer tool can only transfer global settings such as colors, fonts, and sizes. This means that any page-specific settings, such as section and add-on configurations, cannot be transferred between different versions of the theme. But don't worry, there's still a way to transfer these settings manually. How to manually transfer your settings. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Step 2. Find your current theme and click on the 3 dotted button. From the drop-down menu, select the Edit Code option. Do the same for the latest version of your theme that was uploaded. Step 3. Look for files that end with .json. Common files to look for are index.json, product.json, add-ons-group.json, footer-group.json, header-group.json, collection.json, page.json, page.faq.json, and page.contact.json. These files hold your page settings. If there is a dot next to the file, it means that you have made modifications to it. Step 4. To transfer your settings, simply copy the entire content of the file from your current theme to the latest version and save the changes. Step 5. If you have any custom templates, like products, pages, or collections, they can be recreated. A JSON file for them will be created on the latest theme, and then the file content can be copied over as well.